Hello everyone, so today we're recapping 16th of August so on US30. So we're going to go to this chart and we're going to stick to the 15-minute time frame, and we're going to go back to the 16th, which is here. So we're just going to go over that now. Let's look at the screenshot that we had. So we got the 16th of August, which is not February, it's a Friday. And we can just go over that now. So you can see on the screen you got building permits that day. We retested the New York opening with the New York opening level, and then got a continuation up. So nice simple day. Let's just go to the 15-minute time frame and just go over this. So look at the previous day and we can clearly see they were buying. You can see from down here clearly in the buy, and continued up with the news all the way up. And then we had the New York opening here, which pushed price down and then continued to buy. So this becomes your discounting buy area. You'd have a great area running along there. Then also you have the New York opening here. You can see that's where it retested. So you'd be looking for a continuation up using this area as your first bullish support. Nice and simple. And you won't really be looking for anything else apart from that until you clear these highs here. And you can see on this day, we go all the way to close with that bullish momentum. Zoom in a bit and we can look at that. So first we'd focus on the London opening. That's this candle here, red candle. You can see it opens. Let's just go from the pre-London here. So this is the Asian session high. Pre-London is this green candle. You get one push up and then the downwards move starts. So you'd have a clear sell bias here, but it would be a retracement. Then you focus on the London opening, which is this red candle. Push down, retest that level. So you've got to push down, retest the opening price, and then continuation down. So your sell setup would be from the retest of the London opening. Nice and simple. And you'd be looking for a downwards move, which is a retracement. That would be your bias. So that'd be one sell trade, very successful. Then you go into the New York session. So you have the pre-New York here. And you can see where the arrow is, that's the New York opening. So price comes all the way down with the pre-New York, pushes down to the yesterday's New York opening level. So you're coming into a discounted buy area now. So we start to see buys taking place here. So push price down into that area, then they start buying. So you could have got into the buy before the New York opening and use this as your low, and you'd be looking for a continuation up to target this high here. Or you could wait for the New York opening, but you have to tell yourself that you may miss a move if you wait for the New York opening all the time. You have to take your time slot for the New York opening would be an hour before the opening too, because sometimes it starts moving before the actual opening. So when the opening takes place, the volume kicks in and it continues. New York opening takes place here, pushes up, comes back down, and you use that previous area as support, and this would be your London session buy area, and it's also yesterday's discounted buy area. So this all here would be a buy area. So once you see a rejection there, you can get in on one of these candles here, using that as your low. So you'd have a buy from here and a buy from here, and what you'd be looking to target is this high here. And you had a clear sell from here with the London opening. 3 very clear entries and exits setups, and these are following the trade templates. And that's really all you got from that day. You got the sell, and then you continue to buy from the previous day. That's all they're doing. Nice and simple. And then as price clears this high, you take most of your profit, because that's your small time frame target. That's what your intraday targets are. You're looking for the highs and lows, previous day highs and lows, and clear liquidity pools. So there you would take about 90-80% off the table. And that's all you really got from that day. Nice 3 positions, I'd say. London sell, and then you got a buy here just before the New York opening, and you got a retest here with the New York opening, which shows a continuation up. Nice, simple. Hopefully that makes sense. And that is following this. There it is, all labelled up. nice and clear for you to understand.